Hi everyone, my name is Varsha and welcome to Study with Varsha. Today I'm just going to start a series of Git. Here we will discuss all the things about the Git. So in this video, today's I'll just discuss the topic what is Git, why Git and status of Git and we'll do some practical knowledge. So without any delay, let's get started. Yeah. So first question is what is Git? Okay. So today I uploaded one shorts also. In that also I discussed ki why Git. What is Git? So Git is nothing but we can say version control system. Git means version control system. So it is like here also it is written Git is a distributed version control system. Distributed means it is not centrally located, it is a distributed. So anyone can use it. It helps developer track changes in code, collaborate with teams, and maintain a history every modification. Okay, so it means that Git helps the developer to track the changes in the code. Suppose if one developer is doing some changes in some branch, so other developer also can do check that what changes he did and they can have a track of the changes, and with the help of that they will collaborate with the teams and maintain a history of every modification. So unlike older centralized system. So before Git, there was a centralized version control system that was CVS or DVCVS. So that was centralized. So unlike that, Git is distributed, meaning every developer has a full copy of the repository, include the entire history. Git is widely used in DevOps, open source project, and software development because it is fast, secure, and reliable. So it is used because first thing is it is open source, so anyone can use it. Second thing that it is very fast as comparison to centralized system that is CVS or DVCS. It is secure and you do it is reliable and you can do trust. So example use cases. If you are working on a project with a team Git ensures that everyone changes can be tracked, merged and reverted if needed. Reverted means it have rollback system also. So rollback, the word came here, rollback. Rollback is nothing but going back to previous version. Okay. So, for example, if now you are working in version 2, so you can do rollback like to version 1. So this is nothing but rollback. And now the question is that, okay, Varsha, you told that we can do rollback, but how you can do like how to roll back? So simple answer is by storing each code separately. If you will, sorry. So how to roll back? By storing each version of code. Okay. So now the question is, we understand what is Git. It is a distributed version control system. We can do rollback in that and how we can do rollback, all things we discussed. Now the question is, why Git? Okay. Because we have a centralized CVCS, DVCS, many things is there. Then why only Git? So the answer is Git have version control. It means each Git can store each version of the code separately. Second thing, Git, Git keeps track of every changes in your project. Suppose if we do on a simple like even one word of the change, that also Git will track. Sorry, I don't know why my tongue is slipping. Third is you can go back to any previous version if something breaks. That we also discussed. Example like an undo redo button of your entire code base. So that is very big thing. Collaboration. Multiple developer can work on the same project at the same time. So that is very good. See, if one developer is working on on one repository and at the same time, if second developer is sitting in the London or Europe, he can also work on the same repository, and at the same time if someone is sitting in Europe, they can also work on the same repository. So it is very good. Git handles merging changes, reducing conflicts. So sometimes what happen, like two developers are there and they do push the code at the same time, so that merging, conflicting, and something will happen. So Git will also reduce it. Example, see the example. One person work on login, another person on payment. Git combines both very safely. Distributed system. It means every developer has a complete copy of repository with full history. Even if the central server, that is GitHub, is down, you can still work offline and push later. So that is very good. And we'll discuss in this series GitHub also. So for now, just you have to understand it's a kind of hub. Hub means where our data is going to store. So it is nothing but it is a repository that will be in somewhere where our data is going to store. So don't focus here. I'll discuss in this series. I'll cover in this series. Third thing will be backup and safety. So code is strong both locally and remotely, like GitHub, GitLab, Bitbuckets. So I'll discuss all these things. This means your project is safe even if your laptop crashes. Okay, and like see, initially what happened if you are working on your own laptop and if it gets stolen and if it get break, so all your code will get lost. But if we are using it, so our code will be safe because that will be in somewhere distributed to everywhere so that your code will be safe and you no need to work again. Third, last thing is branching and experimentation. So you can create branch to test new features without affecting the main code. If the feature works, merge it. If not, delete the branch. And next thing is industry standard. Almost every software company uses Git plus GitHub or GitLab. This is true. And it's a must have skill for developers, DevOps, tester, and open source contributors. Okay, now change the question. Now the next topic is stages of Git. How many stages of Git and how do we have to work? So let's see. Git work in three main stages. Working directory, like this is your local project folder where you edit files, or you can simply say working directory is that here you can write the code, but you can't do like here our code will not what we can say, that will not get tracked. This is simple file where we are writing your code. Second is changes here are not yet tracked by Git unless you add them. So this is the thing, like here it will not get tracked. If in the second step, if you will add it, then only it will get tracked. Second is staging area. When you run git add file name. This is the command git add and that file name. The file moves to the staging area. Staging area, the file will move. It means you are telling Git, I want these changes to be a part of my the next commit. Okay. Third thing is local repository, that is .git folder. When you run git commit -m, this is the command git commit -m, message. So the staged changes are saved permanently in your local repository. So this creates a snapshot of your project history. Optional thing is there you can do remote repository usually hosted on GitHub, GitLab or Bitlog. So you just have to push it your conflict commits from the local repository to remote so that the whole team can access them. Like flow will be working directory, staging area, local repository, remote repository. Okay. So last thing is fourth thing, that is installation of Git on Windows. So how you will do on Windows? So you can see, or if you want, you can take the screenshot. Okay, because I'll tell one thing only that will be on Linux. Okay, one second. So yeah, just take the screenshot. And if you need any help, just do comment so that I'll update and I'll create one more videos by how to install on Git on Windows. Second thing is on Linux, how you will install. And third on Mac OS. And if you have home break installation, okay. So let's start and do some practical. Okay. So this is our AWS console. First thing is that before going to that, yeah, one second. Yeah. So let's start the practical. This is our console that we discussed. So first thing is that first we will create one server so that we'll install on it. PTM. Okay. Uh, this one only I'm taking. T2 micro we can take. Key value pair we have to create. कुछ भी रख दो ना. All this thing I'm not going to change. Yeah. Yeah, so it's ready. It is in initializing state on AWS series. I also tell you like here also if green T2T like check will be there that will be green color, then only you have to launch instance or you have to connect. Okay, so now I just told you it will be that will be in here only. So first in desktop only, I already have created one key value pair folder and that only I have to push this key value things. Okay. Okay. Control X, key value pair and here. Understood? Understood? Okay, good. So first check here, it's done or not. Yeah, no, it is taking time. So wait. Yeah, so now it is in green. So we have to connect it. Connect. This you have to just copy it. Go to the move extrem, start local terminal, paste it. It will connect. Yeah. No. Why it is not? Why see why this error you people will get? Because I told you that the PAM file was there, so we have to go to that folder. So first we have to go to desktop and then key value pair. And now just right click and paste it. Once again, let me check what happened. Yeah. So now just copy it and yeah, let's try again. Yeah, now it's get connected. Here we will get this error because we are not there in that folder. Now clear it, clear the screen. Now, whenever I told previously also that whenever we do start any server, so first thing is we have to update it. So it was AMI, so yum update hyphen y. Just have to go. Okay, sudo yum update hyphen y. Just because here we are not in the we are not the root user, that's why we had get the error. Now it's taking time. Yeah, started updating. Nothing to do, it's already updated. Okay. So first you have to create one folder. We are going to create one Paytm application. So Paytm. Mkdir, this command is used to create one directory. Okay, so it's done. Now check with the help of long list. LL means long list. It is used to list the branch. So here one directory D means read, write, and that all the permission. So Paytm, that is direct. Now we have to install Git. Okay, so I don't know, we are not sure that it is root directory or not. So first, like always make a habit to do like sudo yum install git hyphen y. No need to do y also, but if you can do, you will see the things. Yeah, it started installing. It will take some time. Yeah, it's done. Now git init so that it will initialize the changes. Okay, it's done. ls-al. So it will show the hidden files also. So when you will hit the command git init, you get this .git folder. Okay. Now create one file, that is touch file one. Okay, this file created, and now you check the git status with the command git status. So git status on branch master. So where it is? It is in the master branch. Okay. So diff master branch, like you will say that, oh, I didn't create the branch, then how it came? So master branch is nothing but it's a default branch. Okay. So now this file is not add here. It is in that red color because git add and that file, whatever that file one we created, that is not add. That's why here we are not able to see it. So what we have to do, just do git add file 1. Okay. Now we are trying to add the file. And now again, if you will press the up arrow button, then it will show the previous command. See, now, changes to be commit. Here you will get the green color. It means that file came in the staging area. Now you can track this file. Got it. Now we have to commit it. Git commit hyphen git commit -m. And if you want, you can do like commit one file one. I have a toothache, so please just focus on the screen. Yeah, I increase the font size. I'll not talk that much today. So git commit -m. So it came for the tracking and it also saved. Now just check the git status. Yeah, git commit also amend. Now come to the third thing that we'll check the git log. So what git log will do? So the git log will show all the commits head to master. So you are able to see it. Yeah, one thing that is commit one only because we only did one commit. Okay. Now do you have to do same thing. Touch file 2. Okay. Same thing you did. Again check the git status. Yeah. And master branch. This is not in tracked. So again you have to what you have to do git add file 2. Now again see the git status. Yeah, it's come the file 2. Now we have to do git commit -m and we can give commit -2. This is second commit and file 2. Yeah, it's done. Now you can check git log. Yeah, see commit 2 also came. Now the thing is git both we have to. So we have to configure it with the user ID and name. So git config user dot name and what's my name Varsha, for example I'm taking. Okay, now git config user dot email and my I'm not giving correct like Varsha Singh @gmail.com, whatever my Gmail will be. Okay, now you can see again git log. Yeah, commit 1, commit 2, touch file 3. Now again check what git status git add file 3 git status. Now you will see file 3 in a green color. Now we have to commit it. Git commit hyphen -mit hyphen m commit 3 file 3. Now git log. So yeah, that's it for today. What I'll do, if you people want, I'll do history command and all this command today we people used. Okay, so if you want, I'll share all this thing. I'm just copying it and I'll share with you guys. So no need to worry. Yeah. So thank you for watching Study with Varsha. Have a nice day and please stay with me, stay in touch with me. And if you really like the video, please do subscribe my channel and like it and share with your friends. So thank you once again. Have a nice day.